There are many YouTubers who write novels to amplify people's interest, but I haven't seen many sites that provide scientific commentary. So we approached the Bermuda Triangle with recent scientific proof of why a large number of planes and ships are missing. The Bermuda Triangle refers to the waters within the triangular range of the Florida Strait, Bermuda Island, and Puerto Rico, or the Azores Islands, in the southern United States. Hundreds of ship and aircraft disappearances have occurred in the region over the past 500 years, but the cause has not been clearly identified, which has been recorded as a mysterious disappearance of mystery. The sea, which is considered one of the world's wonders to the extent that it is called the Devil's Triangle, has intrigued countless people. A famous American prophet thought that the Bermuda Triangle was the place where the continent of Atlantis, which descends like a legend, sank into the sea, and that energy generators developed with excellent science and technology at the time were still working, destroying objects. In addition, various opinions have emerged, including the theory that it is the work of aliens and the theory that it is a four-dimensional space, and it has been used as a material for movies, novels, and cartoons for a long time. Efforts were also made to scientifically determine the cause of the disappearance. Among them, the Earth magnetic field change theory received a lot of support, which is the theory that magnetic earthquakes can occur suddenly because the Earth's magnetic field changes every 20 to 25 years. The Earth's magnetic field is known to be caused by the movement of substances, iron and nickel, in a liquid-like state that exists in the center of the Earth. The Bermuda Triangle is an area where the magnetic field is unstable, so when a magnetic earthquake occurs, ships or aircraft passing around it are sucked into the sea. In addition, magnetic earthquakes can't be prepared for because they occur temporarily and then disappear. It was a plausible hypothesis to some extent, but the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle still lingered. There was also an opinion that the main culprit of the incident was the methane layer under the deep sea. In 1998, scientists and research institutes from all over the world gathered to launch the Ocean Drilling Program, ODP, project to discover the structure and evolution of the Earth, and it was found that methane hydrate layers exist under the deep sea of Bermuda. Dr. Richard McClever of ExxonMobil, a U.S. petrochemical company that participated in the project, explained that if the hydrate layer in the area suddenly collapses, low-density mud-containing gas could erupt and exert enormous power. Methane hydrate is a natural gas energy source that is attracting attention as an alternative energy source today and is an ice-shaped solid crystal formed by combining methane gas with water at low temperatures and high pressure in the deep sea. In 2001, Professor Bruce DiNardo of the U.S. Naval Academy also supported this hypothesis. The research results published by Professor DiNardo said, if there are many bubbles in the water, the density of the water decreases, so objects floating on the water can suddenly sink. To support this theory, the research team said that 4 liters filled glass beakers with water and sprayed air from the floor at various speeds. And I dropped a metal ball filled with water and air on the water to see how easily the metal ball sank. The metal ball barely floated on the water when there were no rising bubbles, but soon sank when it sprayed bubbles. The results raised the possibility that the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle could have been caused by methane gas bubbles, but it still has not established itself as solid evidence. Research continued after that, and finally, in August 2010, the veil of the Bermuda mystery was lifted. Joseph Monaghan, a professor at Monash University in Melbourne, Australia, published a paper in the American Journal of Physics that the cause of the disappearance of ships and aircraft in the Bermuda Triangle was due to natural phenomena caused by methane gas. Professor Monaghan worked with his research team to make the following hypothesis. If a large amount of huge methane bubbles are generated in cracks under the sea, there will be huge methane bubbles that expand in all directions as they rise to the surface of the water. Any vessel that is caught in this methane bubble immediately loses its buoyancy and sinks to the bottom of the sea. The reason why a ship can be floating in the sea is that the boosting force, which is the force to float in the water, is greater than the weight of the ship. Therefore, if buoyancy is lost by methane bubbles, the ship cannot overcome its weight and sinks as it is. How can we explain the disappearance of an airplane in the sky? If the size and density of the bubbles are large enough, a huge amount of methane gas can be generated and hit an aircraft in the sky and instantaneously. At this time, the aircraft engine caught fire and crashed. So when does this methane bubble occur? Is there any way to stop the occurrence of methane bubbles? Although the cause of the disappearance of ships or aircraft has been revealed, predicting the timing and frequency of methane bubbles remains a research task. As such, the natural phenomenon itself is a huge mystery to humans, but human challenges to solve the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle will continue. Thanks for watching.